Moroccan tagine is a slow-cooked stew with rich flavors and aromas. Traditional clay pots are used to cook tagine, distributing heat evenly. Couscous, a fluffy side dish, pairs perfectly with the savory tagine. Fresh ingredients like vegetables and meats are essential to tagine. Spice markets in Morocco offer a wide range of aromatic spices and herbs. Chefs carefully balance sweet and savory flavors in their tagine recipes. Tagine and couscous are often served together in Moroccan restaurants. Street food vendors also serve delicious tagine and couscous to locals. Moroccan cuisine is known for its blend of African, Arab, and Mediterranean influences. Clay pots are typically unglazed, allowing the tagine to breathe and simmer. Hands move deftly as chefs prepare traditional Moroccan tagine and couscous. Restaurants and food stalls showcase the vibrant culture of Moroccan cuisine. Vibrant spice markets in Morocco offer a sensory experience for chefs. Fresh ingredients and aromatic spices fill the air with fragrance. Moroccan tagine and couscous rely on a delicate balance of sweet and savory. Clay pots are traditionally used to slow-cook tagine, enhancing the flavors. Restaurants and street food stalls showcase the diversity of Moroccan cuisine. Skilled chefs carefully select spices to create a unique flavor profile. Tagine and couscous are often served together, a classic Moroccan combination. Fresh vegetables and meats are added to the tagine for added flavor. Moroccan markets offer a wide variety of spices, including cumin and coriander. Chefs carefully blend spices to create a rich and aromatic tagine broth. Slow cooking the tagine in a clay pot allows the flavors to meld together. Moroccan cuisine is known for its bold flavors and hearty, comforting dishes. Moroccan tagine is traditionally cooked in clay pots with tight-fitting lids. Clay pots allow for even heat distribution and retention of flavors. The slow cooking process breaks down the connective tissues in meat. This results in tender, fall-apart texture and rich, intense flavors. Fresh ingredients like onions, garlic, and ginger are essential components. Moroccan spice markets offer a wide variety of aromatic spices and herbs. Couscous is typically steamed over the stew, absorbing the flavorful broth. The fluffy, grain-like texture of couscous complements the hearty tagine. In Moroccan restaurants, tagine is often served with a side of couscous. Street food vendors also offer delicious, slow-cooked tagine and couscous. Traditional cooking techniques and fresh ingredients come together perfectly. Moroccan tagine and couscous require a delicate balance of sweet and savory flavors. Chefs carefully select ingredients to achieve this perfect harmony in each dish. Fresh vegetables and meats are essential for creating rich, depthful flavors. Spice markets offer an array of aromatic spices to enhance the tagine's flavor profile. Clay pots are traditionally used for slow-cooking tagine, allowing flavors to meld together. The slow cooking process breaks down ingredients, creating a tender, fall-apart texture. Couscous is typically steamed, absorbing the flavorful broth of the tagine. Restaurants and street food vendors alike take great care in preparing these dishes. Hands move deftly as chefs cook traditional Moroccan tagine and couscous with precision. Each element, from spice to ingredient, is carefully considered in the cooking process. The combination of flavors and textures in Moroccan tagine and couscous is truly unique. The presentation of the dish, with the tagine poured over the couscous, is visually appealing. Moroccan tagine and couscous are staples of the country's rich culinary heritage. Slow-cooked tagine is typically served over fluffy couscous, a perfect pairing. The cultural significance of these dishes is deeply rooted in tradition. Fresh ingredients from local markets are essential to their authentic flavor. Spice markets in Morocco offer an array of aromatic spices and herbs. Clay pots are often used for cooking tagine, distributing heat evenly. The sweet-savory balance in tagine is a hallmark of Moroccan cuisine. Restaurants and street food stalls serve tagine and couscous to locals and visitors. Chefs carefully prepare each dish, ensuring a delightful presentation. Hands move deftly as traditional Moroccan cuisine is prepared with love. Food market stalls showcase the vibrant colors of fresh ingredients used. The presentation of tagine and couscous is a feast for the eyes and taste buds. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.